Zilex Factory's skeleton assembly, body casting workshops. Pretty impressive, huh? In this episode, we're gonna continue this journey and show you how they pin the body, crafted the heads, and also show you how they handle the final packaging and shipping process. Let's start it. Now we're at which area?
我们现在来了身体上色区。
The body coloring area. Why this one is different? Why she's wearing bikini?
对，他们在喷比基尼线。
The bikini line. Can I get a bikini line here?
让他们试试。
Do you want to start get a bikini line here? Now we're at the head, ceiling, and dumping area. Okay, look here. I noticed this one is very interesting. What is that?
这上面的呢是眼睛的内胆，下面的呢是我们超写实口腔的一个内胆。
So with this, the doll can have multiple jaw like this, right?
是的。
So this is where you can get your ROS head dolls. This is where magic happens.
好，我们现在来到我们的一个徒步上色车间。
The makeup table. This is my favorite. I love putting makeup on by myself. And we're gonna choose my favorite one. Okay, they're adding blush, lipstick, eyeshadow on this doll's head. Oh my god, I love this one. Okay, I have a question. How long does each worker finish one makeup job?
大概30-40分钟。
That's very soon. So after when these workers finish their makeup and these workers, they're gonna implant their hair and eyebrows. How long does it usually take for these workers to finish the hair implantation?
这边用机器植的话就是4个小时，手工植发的话就需要4天。
Wow, that's definitely patient and skill in a whole new level. Okay, I noticed their design says it's eyeball workshop. Why there is a solid, like a separate eyeball workshop here?
我们现在大部分的眼珠还是标配的，但是有一部分的客户，他还是有一些定制化的需求。
For customization.
对，我们有一个自己这样的一个眼珠的制作部门，我们就可以很快速的去响应他们这样的一些定制化的需求。
To meet the customized and customization by different customers, how long does it usually take for finish one eyeball?
大概5分钟。
5 minutes. That's very quick. Why there are so many hands and feet here?
我们总结了市场的一些需求，制作出不同款式的一些手和脚，满足他们的一些定制化的需求。
Okay, got it. So it's also for the customization needs and requirements for customer. What are these workers doing?
他们在进行一个全身皮纹的一个制作，一些关键的部位进行一些精修，把整个躯干做得更加精致。
So you can see here, the Zilex has its own dedicated department for the skin texture, which makes the overall quality more consistent and also controllable. At the same time, it also allows them to offer the dolls with excellent value for the price.
Were you amazed by their skin texture and techniques? These experienced artisans are truly skilled. As for me, I was definitely amazed. I really love this kind of a realistic, fully handmade process. Each doll feels like a work of art. Their dolls are made from materials they formulate and produce themselves, and they even have their own material production workshop. This ensures that the quality of the dolls is well guaranteed.
Wow, there are so many boxes there. Are these orders from different customer worldwide?
是的，这些订单来自于全世界各地。那现在呢，就是我们整个工厂程序的最后一步。在这里呢，我们会进行最后一道质检，在娃娃确定没有问题的情况下，我们会对它进行一些保护性的包装，确保这些产品能完好无损的送达到我们全世界各地每一位客户的手上。
That's perfect. So every details will be inspected before the doll leaves the factory. And you can see here, this worker, she's literally packaging the box. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Xing, for showing us around.
不用客气。
The whole production line is so smooth and well put together. Every step here is about craftsmanship. And that's it for today's tour in Zilex Factory. If you like this special episode, don't forget like, subscribe, and don't forget, we test, you enjoy. Bye-bye.